Hello, handsome boys and beautiful girls. Welcome to Fine Arts class. Today we'll be looking at musical instruments. A musical instrument is an object used to make musical sounds. A musical instrument can either be small or large. That means you can have a small musical instrument or you can have a large or very big musical instrument. Also, you can see your musical instrument around you. You can see them in your homes. You can see them in the school. You can see them in the church. Okay, so you can see your musical instrument around you. There are different types of musical instruments, and the different musical instruments make different musical sounds. Okay, the sound of a musical instrument is quite different from the other because they are different. So the fact that they are different, it means they are going to produce, they are going to give you different musical sounds. Also, there are some musical instruments that you play with your hands. There are some that you play with your mouth, depending on the kind of musical instrument you are you have. So let's look at different types of musical instruments. There are different types of musical instruments. We have the accordion, we have the banjo, we have the bagpipe, we have the cymbal, we have the jingle bells, we have the keyboard, we have the lute, we have the marimba, we have the clarinet, we have the piano, we have the drum, we have the recorder, we have the flute, we have the saxophone, we have the French horn, we have the triangle, we have the maracas, we have the guitar, we have the harp, we have the harmonica, we have the trumpet, we have the tambourine, we have the violin, we have the xylophone. Different kinds of musical instruments, different kinds of name, different kinds of sizes, different kinds of ways you can play them. So look at this picture, look at the musical instrument picture dictionary. We have the guitar right here. We have the guitar, we have the trumpet. Look at how it is. We have the violin, we have the drum, we have the piano, we have the saxophone, we have the banjo, we have the accordion, we have the French horn, the keyboard, the maracas, the clarinet, the bagpipe, flute, cymbals, triangle, xylophone, harmonica, tambourine, harp. We also have the marimba. Look at how big it is. We have the jingle bell, the, the jingle bells. We have the recorder. We have the lute, and so on and so forth. So we have different kinds of musical instrument with different sizes. Look at this, not too big, not too small. Look at this. This is kind of small. You can even put this in your bag. This is a recorder. This is kind of big. This is large. And look at all this. And looking at the drum, there are different kinds of drum. Some are big, some are small. So looking at this um, musical instrument, you can tell that, oh, you can have some big instruments, you can have very small instruments, and you play them in different ways. Some you play them with your hands, some you play them with your mouth. Okay, so these are the musical instruments. You have to look at these pictures very well, look at the images, try to see the pictures, try to relate them with their names, try to memorize at least 10 out of this picture. If you can memorize everything, good, but at least you should be able to identify 10 musical instruments with the pictures. Good job. If you have any question, please send them through the comment box. Bye.